Last year at this time, I was struggling. I was a struggling affiliate marketer, and I didn't ever think that I was going to make a sale. One of the problems was I truly didn't believe in the product I was marketing. I loved it, but I needed to believe in it. I needed to believe that when somebody purchased it, that they were going to turn around and be successful too. You see, that is the difference between me and a lot of people on here. I am not coming here and sharing all this information just to make a sale. I truly want to see you succeed too. That is important to me because it's not fun to struggle in your business. So what changed this year? I actually grabbed a digital product that I could turn around and make it my own because it had the master resale rights, meaning that I can sell it over and over. And it is filled with so much value, and the community is amazing. There's so many like-minded people that are there to support you 100% of your journey. Now, when I grabbed that product, because I believed in it, because it filled in all the gaps, because I knew it had the value that would ultimately take you from zero, starting at the basics, 0 followers, 0 experience, to wherever you want your business to go. And how do I know that? Because it's done it for my business. So if you are like me and you're burnt out in your job and you're trying to figure out something to do to bring in that additional income, save this video so you can come back to it. And if you're ready to start, that's all you have to do is go to my stand store and grab the same education that I took that is changing my life.